Hello everybody, this is Mark with WTI. Are you tired of that tar and sap that gets stuck on your vehicle? Well, check out Stoner's Tarminator Tar and Sap Remover. This bad boy has got you covered. It works quickly to remove tar and sap and asphalt by using a microactive cleaning technology to break down that tough grime that starts to build up on your car. So when time is precious, Tarminator by Stoner Car Care doesn't delay. It's safe, effective, powerful, and works incredibly fast. It takes less than 30 seconds to effectively get the job done for you. And unlike most harsh chemical cleaners, Tarminator is easy on paint and safe to use on Clearcoats. Feel free to use it on cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, and boats. And consider this your new cleaning superpower. With that said, Tar and Sap Remover by Stoner is one of my top choices when it comes to the care of my vehicles. But that's just my point of view.